Ready to unlock global audiences by making your Squarespace site speak multiple languages. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you the most effective ways to translate your Squarespace website, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone first. Let's dive into Squarespace's built-in options. While Squarespace doesn't have a single button to instantly translate your entire site, it offers excellent tools for managing multilingual content. The most common and recommended approach is to create separate pages for each language. Go to your Squarespace dashboard, navigate to Pages, and create a new folder. Name this folder something clear, like English or +, or -all. Inside this folder, create individual subpages for each of your existing pages. For example, if you have an About Us page, you'll create an About Us page within your +, or -all folder. You'll then manually translate the content for each of these new pages. Be sure to copy and paste your content into these new pages and translate it as accurately as possible. This gives you full control over the translations and the overall look and feel of each language version. Now, to help your visitors switch languages, you'll need a clear navigation element in your main navigation. You can add links to these language folders alternatively. Many users create a dedicated switcher in their footer or a pop-up. For a professional language selector in your footer, you can use Squarespace's built-in link block and set it to external link for each language option. Or for a more advanced solution, explore third-party Squarespace extensions that specialize in multilingual site management. The key is clear labeling. Make sure your language options are easily identifiable. For example, using country flags or the language names themselves, this approach ensures that your visitors can effortlessly navigate and find the content they need in their preferred language, significantly expanding your global reach.